I know you?
I don't know who this guy is anymore.
Been a little while.
Matt ain't been out. You know my truck hasn't been washed since the last time you were up here? It's been at least 6 months. It's been 6 months because it was right after I got the truck built when we put the new lift kit on, and that YouTube video was posted 5 months ago. I just saw it on YouTube the other day. So it's been at least 5 months since my truck has been washed, and we got your boy Matt back on the property washing trucks today. I probably won't see him for another 6 months. It's okay.
Yeah, I'll be out of here. I'll be going.
I was gonna plug your business on the back of your shirt, but you're too busy for us. You're too famous now. You're too busy. That's your best side. That's your best side. My front wheels are black. They're not even red anymore.
Hey.
But that's what you're here for. I think I'm gonna at least put one of the center caps on today. Make the video worth it.
At least one?
Yeah, at least one of the center caps. It needs it. But we got Mikey all washed up today. Mikey's finally got some form of rear air ride on his Tahoe now. I don't know how that works, but him and Leonard had rigged something the other, not rigged it, it actually works, but he's got air ride on the back of his Tahoe now. And hopefully I'll have at least one of the center caps on today before the video's over with.
We got one, what's that doing in there?
One cross-threaded stud in there. I don't know. I don't know why that's in there, to be honest with you. I didn't put that in there. So, I don't know what the deal is there. We may be missing one center cap screw before it's all done and over with. But,
be all right.
hey, all I'm saying is we're gonna have a beautiful lift kit again today, and I owe Matt some lunch as well. Zero motivation to film today. It's Monday. It's Monday after Thanksgiving. I just got back from North Carolina yesterday. I'm just not in the mood for it. Southern Tire Mcdonough, this is Alex. How can I help you? Hello? Hello? You get 2 hellos and then you're done. Anyway, so Jim Hill. Shout out to Jim Hill from, damn, I can never remember what part. I know he's from like north of Jacksonville area on the beach. There's a certain little area and I can never for the life of me remember what it was. He sent me a package in the mail. St. Simon's, yes, that's what it is. Sent me a package in the mail, and that came from UPS this morning. Shout out to our UPS guy, Hal. Attention, Alex, Bread Gang, Southern Tire. I wasn't gonna film this. There's a note on the inside. I probably shouldn't rip this up. How am I supposed to?
It looks like a check.
Anyway, he sent me a shirt, actually. This is Living North Shore. Let's get this bread. Hell yeah, look at there. That's actually pretty cool. Jim, I love you. I hope you know that. You can't get Let's Get This Bread on shirts, so that's got to be custom. We'll be wearing that shirt, but I want to open this so you guys can see this, because the part that really got me and what made me film this is I was kind of looking inside of this for a second, and I'm like, there ain't no way that he just ordered a trans mount. What's up?
Yeah,
sorry,
somebody blew a tranny mount. Fake.
I thought it was fake for a second, but it's not.
Let me get special instructions. Buy Jake lunch with it.
Thanks, Alex, for all you do. Bread Gang and Southern Tire / gang. From Georgia's oldest flipping teenager. Let's get this bread. Lunch is on me. There you go. Let's get this bread. Jim, we love you over here. Anything for you, any time of day, all times of the night.
I have a question.
Why are you zooming? What?
You look like a completely no color to you at all right now. Anyways, what's for lunch?
I guess we're starting our, we were talking about doing the little water fast that Joe Rogan did. No, Dana White, sorry.
Same person in my head.
Because we kind of need it. Yeah, they're probably the same person. They're probably just clones of each other. We'll figure that out. Updates on lunch here in a minute. Jim Hill, you're amazing. We love you. Really? 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 A lot of y'all may remember this truck. We built this truck for Tori it's been a couple years now that we built this Denali on the 26s. We took this to the first Rick Ross show with us, which was really cool. We're swapping out his factory Mcgaughys shocks all the way around with, there's not one in that box, hello? He's getting some new upgraded or replacement sway bar end links as well, but he's getting the new all chrome FTS. Jonathan's holding one over there. All chrome FTS shocks front and rear. Known on the channel for never washing my truck, and I let it get so dirty all the time. And every time, it's kind of like getting a haircut. I'm terrible, I'm getting better now, but I used to like go 6 months without getting a haircut. And it's just not something that was ever like on my priority list. And same thing with washing my truck. Like, I just never really cared to have a clean truck. I mean, it is what it is. I drive it every day. But then when I get the truck clean and you see the red wheels in the sun, it's like, damn, why do I not keep my truck clean all the time? It looks so beautiful like this, especially now that I have the red Mcgaughys kit and the KG1. Shout out KG1 and Mcgaughys and the Nittos. I mean, it's like my dream setup, and you can just tell the difference how he hasn't washed the truck yet, but just the shine of the red and the sun, the silver truck, it goes so well together. So I need you guys to hold me accountable in the comments of these videos about making sure that I get with Matt on a more regular basis and keep my truck clean. Give you guys a better look at our 2022 Denali. A couple of things have changed since we built the truck originally. I don't know if it had the color matched. I think it did have the color matched emblem in the grill, the Denali front insert for the grill, which is really cool. Color matched mirrors, color matched fender flares, and the lights, the little accessory lights on the fender flares as well. Such a beautiful truck. The Denalis are always a beautiful truck to build with the bigger lift kits, color matched bumper on the rear. Most of that probably comes with the Denali package. We got a 7 to 9 inch Mcgaughys kit with the upper control arms. This one's set, if I remember correctly, right at about 9. Got that beautiful black and milled lift kit up front, or cross member up front. Nice black and silver control arms to match, and the compression struts in the front. No traction bars on this one. He may upgrade at some point, but obviously the standout part of this truck is the 26x16 Forgiatos with the color matched white logos with the floating center cap. Just freaking, I love the little white accent on the logo, or on the center cap, and the floating caps. Just absolutely beautiful. 35, 1550, 26 Venom RTs. Such a beautiful truck, such an iconic truck. Like I said, this one came with us to the Rick Ross show a couple of years ago, the first Rick Ross show that we went to, and we had such a great time out there. So it's always going to be an iconic build for the shop, and it's just something cool to have up here. Like I said earlier, we upgraded him to the all chrome FTS dual reservoir shocks front and rear. So we got the dual reservoir chrome up front and the dual reservoir chrome in the back. Now, I know we got Mcgaughys and FTS, but Mcgaughys doesn't offer anything like that shock wise for these trucks, so we had to do the FTS, but I think it still looks great. Let me know what you guys think. You guys feeling the 26x16 Forgiatos in the all white? Let me know what you think. Matt did a phenomenal job on the truck back here, and I love the way he got under there and did the lift kit and everything too. I love the way the truck looks when it's clean. That is exactly why I picked that color red. That is my favorite color red, NC State red. We beat UNC this past weekend. I actually did go to the game. Funnest nights of my life, being able to go to the game. Absolutely putting a beat down on UNC is always fun. Go Wolfpack, baby. So it's real. We really are NC State fans over here. But that's kind of why I picked this red. I've always wanted red wheels, red lift kit, a red truck even, but I don't think I'm ever gonna go to a red truck. I'm gonna leave the silver. I like the silver and the red together, but I love the red so much. I need to get the center caps on it. Somebody just called me out on Instagram for the truck being way too nice to not have it complete. So my next goal is to get the front faceplates on, because I got the front and rear polished faceplates from Mcgaughys. Shout out to Mcgaughys. And then I need to get my custom KG1 Bread Gang center caps put on the truck as well. And then there was something else I needed to do. Anyway, I'm having a little bit of a leak go on. I think one of my heater hoses is leaking, so I'm having to put water in the truck every couple of days, which is not fun. But that's the honest truth of what driving that wide bow tie is. The truck has like 280,000 miles on it right now because I drive the hell out of it, and it's starting to have a couple issues here and there. Transmission's still going strong though. We're still going strong on the transmission. That is definitely a plus.
What's up? You doing all right?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Another cold and rainy day here in Atlanta, but we do have Jesse in his beautiful, almost said red. Red's my favorite color, you guys know that. This beautiful white Trail Boss. We built this one a couple of months ago. It's a white Trail Boss, like 2021, 2022. 2614 Hostile Savages with the color matched white lug nuts. Absolutely beautiful accent with the Hostile forged on the center cap and the lip of the wheel, and I really like the way the white lug nuts just give a little bit of extra color to the wheel to kind of match the truck. And then we did the 7 to 9 inch Mcgaughys black with the billet accent pieces. Beautiful truck, beautiful lift kit. Love the way that this turned out, and he's got a lot of stuff coming. Traction bars, wheel lights. I think we're doing upper control arms. He's got rock lights on it already, but got a lot of stuff coming with this one. Looks great already. Super clean, super simple, but I love the way that this one turned out. I had filmed the first part of this video before the lifter failed in my truck a couple of days ago, so the first part of this video had my truck in it. Obviously, I can't drive that truck now. It's on the back side of the shop, and I've ordered some parts for it. I'll be updating you guys here soon about what I'm doing to that truck, but I think we're going to be upgrading some things under the engine. It's not going to go back to stock. I will be driving the single cab for a while now, so I'm doing some upgrades to the single cab while I got it. I have this 2000 Chevy single cab, which is the Saturn truck, if you guys know that on the channel. It's my 2000 single cab, long bed, 2-wheel drive. I think it's like a 4.3. It is the V6, and I'm doing some upgrades to it today. I got the 22-inch split 6s on it right now with the 285. I don't like that it's a long bed, but I love the Saturn stuff. If you guys are OGs of the channel, you guys remember where the Saturn truck came from. But currently, upgraded the radio last night, so now we got a little radio going on in here, and my door speakers just came in today. We're putting some Rockford Fosgate 6.5-inch door speakers in here, and then later on in the week, my subs should be coming in. I've got 2 10s that's going in a box behind the back seat. Again, 2 10-inch Rockford Fosgate 10s going in a shallow mount box. We got the amp, all the wiring kits ordered. Everything should be here by Tuesday or Wednesday next week. So we got some 10s and some door speakers going in the single cab just to make the ride a little more comfortable, you know what I mean? And I'm gonna attempt to go ahead and put the door speakers in today if we get time.
It's Brad, baby! That's what I'm talking about.